obviously there's a church, but I thought I was inside the complex.
Good stuff. No, that's in the complex. Welcome to an abandoned prison. So we might be a little quiet, but welcome to a prison. Yeah. This might be a little short video. It's getting dark out, and there's a bit of a walk out here, so we are, like we always say, not overstaying our welcome here. We're just lucky to have gotten here. So we're gonna pretty much go for the prize here. Just some offices, administrative areas. Maybe a doctor's office, or someone just threw it back here. Oh God, mold. Lots and lots and lots of mold. It's on everything. Oh, wow. This is like General Central Command. We got the layout, all the alarm warnings. No keys, but key tags for different people, for their areas. There's a lot of key tags. Yeah, this is where, like, command would be. They'd see people coming in. I guess they'd let people into the prison, though, but they'd see the alarm system. That's really cool. Okay.
There was a church nearby.
Was it?
There was a church nearby.
No way.
Here.
What? I mean, good, bad?
Just here. Just listen to it.
Well, there might have been a church. So this is where they would call people, bring them up, call and talk to them on the phones. Or just through voice box maybe, just voice. There's no phones. Same way over here. And then the beauty. We're hearing church bells in the background, and so we're trying to figure out where it's coming from. It sounds like it's quite far away, though. No. That's inside, dude. Yes, it's emanating through the corridors, dude. It's in the corridors, like ringing. You can hear it. Oh, is that a steeple? Over there? I can't see it so bright here.
I thought that was inside the complex.
It sounded like it.
Obviously, that's a church, but I thought that was inside the complex.
Okay, it's time. No, that's in the complex.
It is in the complex.
Yeah, fuck it. We're here, so. It's really tripping me out, but really badly. We're just gonna keep going. Oh, okay, lunch area, like lunch area, cafeteria, I guess. Still got some tables. It's not a prison without the prison seating. Very private. There we go. That's so awesome. Yeah, there may not be a lot of commentary just because we're a little sketched out right now with that music in our background. Cafeteria area. Really cool. Alright, carrying on. Oh, old kitchen area. That's really cool. It's really dark in here, I don't know why. Coolers. The big kitchen. There's the entry into the yard area for activities.
I wonder what that building is.
Because there's the towers. Oh, there's one tower. The sun is setting over there. It's like the music is piped into an old speaker system. It's still playing because it's out here in the yard area too. But I mean, you can tell this, it's not in use. So it's kind of weirding us out a little bit. It's interesting, but it's weird. I think I did that talking point when I was zoomed in my face, so you might get a really super close up of me. Holy shit, are you kidding me? Whoa. Okay, now this is a freaking find. This is the prison hospital. care if I'm super bright. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. This is the stuff that you want to see, and this is the stuff we're giving to you. This is awesome. A bunch of bras. It's a bunch of lockers. Bathrooms, I would have to assume. And carpet all of a sudden. Just a storage area. Like an exam room. But with carpet. Interesting. I think we have to walk around though for that. Yeah. Oh yeah, no. Don't worry, I'm not blaming you. I just don't think there's gonna be a whole lot. Yeah. Because around the front was around the front there was lockers with the uniforms. Just to see those, because those look like more patient rooms.
It's kind of weird because the music stopped suddenly.
Well, it's been playing for a while, and they're just gonna shut off. That's why I'm a little sketched to go. That's also why I'm a little sketched to go to the church, because if it's playing music from there, that means there's electricity in there. Offices. About the same. Office waiting area kind of thing. Vendors do not enter. What's locked? Light in the window, please. You can't see. It's hard to see on here, but it's a. Is it an operating?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, it's an X-ray machine. We can't get in there. Both ways are locked. That sucks.
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks. Whoa, this is awesome. This is really cool. It's like an inmate room. You can see it's locked. There'd be several inmates in here getting care. huge security nurse's desk watching them. Because there's 1, 2, 3 of these big rooms. I wonder if these are like solitary for like prisoners to, you know, keep them out of risk, so to say, because of other prisoners. They put them in here maybe, or just time out. It's hard to say. That is so cool. So, I guess let's go see what else there is, since we can't get into the one side that we really want to. So, all the leftover uniforms. Just thrown up everywhere. We got a little turned around. We're trying to find our way out again. Always something. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Building layouts, I'm telling you. And then you're dealing with, you know, security fencing and everything. So I won't go into a lot of history about this place because we don't want to give it away. Essentially, it's a medium security. I really don't think anything more than medium. Pushing it would be an old maximum if anything, but it's more of a medium security. So, but it's still really cool. So let's keep going on this trip. Yeah. Can you imagine just all the prisoners getting filed out here that wanted to come out to church on Sunday morning? Or, I mean, whenever churches do Sundays, I assume it's, you know, I assume it's Sunday. Huh, that would have been easy. Church. Glass in my pockets. Well, here she is. Obviously nothing left in her, but extremely basic at best. Oh shit. Closet. Huh. Okay. Yeah. I don't want to go near that thing. Alright, well that was the The prison church. Some places are always confusing. Our prison is really confusing too. Like the entire yard layout with the fences. Where are we now? Interesting. It was just the open door. I did that earlier. Let's see what we're all here to come. We came to see. We skipped over it before because of the music, but now it's gone. Let's get in here and see this stuff really quickly and get out of here before it gets dark. Because it's almost sunset now. Oh, it is sunset. The sun's almost down. That's what I mean. Yes. This is awesome. There's this side and the other side opposite of this, and then the opposite side has the same amount. There's something running out there. Oh, like a generator. It's like a generator running outside. That's making me a little nervous. This is what we wanted to see right here, the cells. Let's go in. C29. There you are. Yeah, 2 people in this space. I mean, I could almost put my hands from wall to wall. That's how small this is. And then just think, your buddy's right here sleeping, wakes up to you there. Fantastic. No thank you. Sam just noticed this. There's a doorway behind the cells, behind each cells. There's a walkway. Like, I guess the guards could go down to check, you know, they could fix piping, you know, outside of the cell. What a job. Alright, this is the other side of the cells that we were just on. You can see it's the same thing. And same as the other side of the complex. It's just the same thing as this, just that row. Maximum, or like isolation. Yeah, that would suck. Just be locked in there. That would suck. And we have to go all the way around. Hey, the shower. Fantastic. Not much to it. Obviously, just this, and there's probably like a little seating area over here, and that's it. All right, let's keep going. Damn stairs. Oh, here's that walkway. This is the downstairs. So upstairs, there's a plank. Maybe you can see it. This is the downstairs cells, and you can walk through and fix stuff. Sorry, and now we're rushing a little bit. It's getting dark out, and we've got quite a bit of a walk back. And we heard a generator outside or something, right where we're gonna exit, or in that area. So it's kind of one of those like little unnerving things about places. But this is pretty cool. I mean, if you wanted a prison, you got a prison. There's an open chamber. Yep, that's all it is. 3 guys, changing room, that's it. Oh, like all auto release and individual cell release buttons. That's really cool. Auto release, electric, or key. Yeah, there you go. That's really cool. Alright, we were gonna get out of here, but we went to the other side. Thinking it's the same. It's basically the same, but it's bigger cells. It's like over double the space. You got 2 guys, then you have all this room in here, and then the same combo. And so these must have been like the good prisoners, I guess. You know, the non-troublesome, not dangerous, like to another prisoner maybe cells, because they're a lot bigger. So it's still a lot nicer for them. I mean, it's still a fucking prison, but more space. You won't complain about that. Is that other walkway underneath again? Yeah, and then we go back to small ones. So I guess they didn't have many good prisoners, because this is the same as the other, the small ones again. Interesting. If you guys know, like, is the bigger cell for 2 people, is that for good inmates, good behavior, you know, maybe long term, like longer term, so they have more space? Is that what this is for? If you guys know in the comments, let me know below. All right. That seems to be. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here before it gets fucking dark and Bambi attacks. It's fucking dark now. No, let's get the fuck out of here quickly before we really notice it in the dark. Well, I was. Sun going.